In this video, we'll take a look at Aperio Hub configuration. Click on a selected area to proceed. You can edit an existing hub, or click New Product to begin adding a hub to the area. Fill in a product name, select the device type, in this case hub, select the mode and then the model. Select a firmware upgrade file if required, this will be covered in Part 5, then radio channels and the hub's IP address and click on Next. You can select an existing configuration template, or click New Configuration Template to set up a new template that defines the hub settings. Enter a template name and click Next. Configure the hub's network mask, gateway, ACU address, port number, enable TLS and click on Next. Adjust the status report interval, timeout settings, and credential settings if required. Click Next to proceed with the remaining template setup. This is a summary of the hub template settings. Click Next to proceed or back if you need to make changes. Click Save to store the hub settings and complete the setup. A list of the hubs you've configured will appear and allow you to view and manage settings. Program the hubs on site with your phone. Log in to the Aperio Installer app and download your site files. The site files have been successfully downloaded. Select the hub from the list. To verify that the selected hub is correct, the hub LED will flash continuously until the mobile user taps Yes Configure in the app. This process will resemble UHF communication. Stand as close to the hub as possible to initiate the configuration. If it is an IP hub, it will conduct network configuration and subsequently reboot. The installer must visit the hub again after it establishes communication with the system, as the prerequisite for pairing any lock with IP hubs is a completed configuration, which occurs only after this second visit. Once the configuration is finalized, pairing mode will activate, enabling automatic pairing with locks. RS485 hubs can be configured in one visit by the mobile app. It also has the same initial step of searching for hubs and then identifying the selected one with LED blinking. After that, the complete configuration goes through and the pairing mode is activated immediately, even without live EAC communication. Next up, Part 4. Lock configuration.